half day because wifey isn't feeling too good. Maybe because of the haze. But she says her throat is a bit dry and not very, so let's get home. On the way, of course, get her some lunch, then hope she'll feel better soon. I think it's time to take out the air purifier. I must nag at her for that. Yep, so later on I'll take out the air purifier, then the preview to the air purifier, free from my company, from I think last year's D&D door gift. Yeah, so alright, it's coming in handy now. So let's go get wifey her food first. Jollibee! So I'm at Lucky Plaza. I'm gonna go a quick run to get some Jollibee for my wifey and head home and have lunch with her. Okay, I'm done. It was faster to buy the meal than to actually get through all the traffic here. So, spaghetti with chicken for wifey. I got 2 sets in case she feels super hungry. Alright, let's go to the car, get home and have lunch. I'm home. So this is the wifey.
Mess.
Yeah lah, doesn't look too good, this lady. Then this is the food. Spaghetti. Then I'm having fried rice. I got it from, I ordered at work. So it is ikan bilis fried rice.
Nasi goreng.
Ikan bilis. So
They put the right things.
so that they know who's and what order what. So this is my one. Or mine.
Look nice, huh?
The ikan bilis fried rice. So let's eat.
Duman kami dun sa parang overpass. Then I think the bird is
Because there are
relaxing.
a lot of trees on what.
So, nataihan yung kotse.
Damn birds.
Ano pala, palabas pa lang kami, 8:07.
The birds and me got problem, you know. Just like the orchard one that.
Lagi tinataihan si Dwayne.
Yeah lah, on my shirt some more. Hi.
That time also in your
Then I walking home last time. The parents' place, I walking home. The bird don't know how. My hand swing like that. And then the shit jump on my hand here. Fresh and warm.
Yikes. So yun, 8:07 palabas pa lang kami. We're going to next. Because mag-grocery lang kami. Andun, nagtambay lang kami sa house, tapos natulog si Dwayne. Wala. Chillax lang. Kasi yung haze, very bad. So,
It's called
house
fog.
arrest kami.
Foggy.
Fog daw, sabi ni Dwayne. But it's a haze. He's just making himself happy.
Like Sleepy Hollow.
Scary. So yun, see you at next.
Hey, we are now at NTUC. Oh, on the sign disappeared. At FairPrice Extra. This is the big 24-hour one. Oh. So they have the electronic section and whatever the rest. So practically everything you need for the house is here. So I need to go and find my stuff now. And we are at the international section. Oh, and this is the Philippine section. Wifey is going through, having wild thoughts now. So we will just continue walking, then we'll go hunt down some dinner in a while. Right, oh, look at the wifey's face. How is it? Baby moving very pain. Okay, so we're having a late dinner. Wifey just having satay. Is it nice? Is it okay? And she still has spaghetti at home. Yep, that's for her later supper.
I'm not in a mess
Yeah,
the whole day.
I think it's a haze problem. I'm having beef noodles, the dry ones. The dry beef noodles actually come with the thick sauce, but they call it dry. Then sambal.
Good for your liver.
Oh, then they have some beef balls here. So let's eat. Alright, so dinner settled. Then we bought some stuff here. Yep. You go grab the car, park at parents' place, then you head home. Then if it's too bad, the haze and everything, there is the mask for wifey to wear. So, okay, no, how to go down here? I'm lost. Okay, let me find a way out first.
Take the leaf.
Okay, so now we are at Smoothie King. Wifey's over at Starbucks. Yep, there she is, getting the order. Then I'm waiting for mine. I'm having peri berry. So it's already like 9 plus, if I'm right. Still got quite a lot of people sitting around. Then usually here anyway is 24 hours. So after we get our drinks, we'll head up. Alright, so I have parked the car at parents' place. I dropped wifey off at the bus stop near the coffee shop. Then we just need to cross the road to catch the bus, so she don't have to walk too much. So alright, now I'm going to look for her. Then we head home. Then can have a rest already. Hopefully I can sleep tonight, because I got a like 1.5 hour nap just now. Okay, we'll see. We are home, and because of the haze, I brought this toy out. This is an air purifier from Novita. I got this last year, as I was saying earlier, from the company D&D, because we have the haze almost every year. Part of the weather. So alright, switch it on. Oh, lighty light. So I got it all ready. Switch it on. Okay, gotta switch this on. Let's set it to 4 hours. Oh, got light. Oh,
This just black one, maybe not really.
cool stuff. Oh, and on the top here,
Is for babies.
it's supposed to be for baby's room, but we brought it out earlier to use first. Anyway, I have a spare filter to be swapped inside. So alright. Yeah, then now inside got one that came with it. So the filter is supposed to last like 2 years, they put there.
Is it?
The paper filter inside there. The outer filter can wash. So alright. Let's keep this running and we switch on the aircon, so wifey will feel better. Alright.
Hello! I'm recording this while editing the vlog. Kasi nakalimutan ko, hindi na naman pala kami nakapag-good night kahapon or kagabi. And yeah, hindi kasi, kasi talagang, masama pakiramdam ko the whole day yesterday. Kaya nag-half day rin si Dwayne. So, yun. Tapos, maaga din, hindi ako maagang natulog ata kagabi. Hindi, maaga akong natulog, and for the very first time nakatulog ako ng dire-diretso, yung hindi ako nagigising ng like madaling araw. Sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko talaga, then yung sakit ng tiyan ko. So yun, I just want to say thank you for watching.